Bamboo, nature's gift to sustainable architecture. Used for centuries, it's now transforming eco-tourism resorts worldwide. As travelers seek eco-friendly stays, bamboo is leading the way in building sustainable villas, hotels, and retreats. But why? It's one of the fastest growing plants on Earth, absorbs CO2, and is incredibly strong yet flexible, perfect for structures that last. From Ubud to Uluwatu, bamboo resorts create a unique connection with nature, offering fresh air, organic designs, and a truly immersive experience. More than just a trend, bamboo is shaping the future of green hospitality. Would you love to stay in a bamboo retreat?